Hi guys, in front of me is Black Shark 5 and let me show you how to change your wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select wallpaper, and now just pick the album from which you want to select your wallpaper. I will go with pre-installed wallpapers, and now just pick the picture that you would like to apply as your home or lock screen. So let me just, for example, this one, and then to apply it, to preview it, you can just tap, and then to apply it, just click on apply. And then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. Let me pick both. And that's it. As you can see, it has been already applied. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.